How to duplicate layer in Picsart. Want to reuse parts of your design easily? Here's how to duplicate a layer in Picsart. First, open the Layers panel and select the layer you want to copy. Click the duplicate icon or option to create an exact copy of the original. You can then move, resize or edit the duplicate independently without affecting the original one. This is great for repeating elements or testing different looks without starting over. Once happy, continue editing or merge duplicates if needed. What do you usually duplicate? Text, shapes, or drawings? Share it in the comments below. You can duplicate layers when creating symmetrical designs to save time. And that's how you can duplicate layer in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.